Alright, we're at our second park. I don't know if y'all can see. It's pretty shaded right now, so it's pretty clear. So, let's see what we can get out of here. This is the first part of this creek that I ever fished when I first started creek fishing. I started watching John on Creek Fishing Adventures, and I kind of had never creek fished ever, so opened me up to a new form of fishing. Oh, did I get a bite there? Oh yeah, there, get it. There we go. Oh, he's trying. And I've been doing it for, I don't know, 8-10 years now. Really enjoy it. Try to get my wife out here, but she's so little. I don't want to get in a spot where she gets over her waist in there. So it's one thing I miss about living in Pennsylvania and living over Missouri and stuff. There's a lot of good creek fishing over there. Oh man, they are getting the tail, but they are not committing. Hopefully they're not sitting on little beds over there and just chasing stuff. Seeing it's good sized fish too. Definitely got the mouth. Oh, definitely got the mouth to get it. So, but yeah, a lot of those are ankle to knee deep creeks over there, which are good. But like I said, it's enjoyable, especially when it's hot as blazes out there. It's cool on your legs and your feet. And you still got to be careful because there are turtles and there are snakes and all that good stuff. Oh, great. There we go. There we go. We got one. What do we got? A bass. And he underhooked his face. So, I don't know. He got it in the top of the jaw. There we go. Nice little largemouth. Go back. I thought those were bluegill over there. There's a whole mess of them over there, though. I know that because I saw 3 or 4 chasing it. But yeah, I used to use the crick hoppers and stuff in here a whole lot. And then just start using jigs more than anything. I know treble hooks have good hookup rates, but man, those tiny little hooks are hard to get out sometimes. Okay, I'm going to move to cast another spot, see if there's something over here. I know they're all sitting by that log. There we go. Ooh, nice. That was a great hit. Green sun. Oh, that's the biggest green sunfish we've caught today. And I have caught. Now tomorrow me and my wife are taking the John boat out. Not sure where we're going to go right off the bat, but I'm ready to do some fishing for some bigger bass and some big crappie. I know where we're going to, there are some huge sunfish in there, bluegill. There we go. Man, he smoked that one. Another greenie. Okay. So we know we can catch green sunfish with this lure. And again, I'm still using the same Bobby Garland. And even that bigger one was catching them. Just kind of want to sit with the same pattern. Oh, something was hitting it there. Oh man. Just pulling at the tail. Had an itchy in my nose and I couldn't hook up right away. So we can go down here maybe a little bit. Oh, there we go. Right off the bat. I think it's another green sunfish. I believe so. Yep. Another green bean. Oh. They are fun to catch, though. That's for sure. See ya, Bubby. At least you're giving me plenty of content. I shouldn't complain. Because these little guys, they just sit in those rocks and wait for anything to come downstream. Get another one. I just spooked them all off on that last one. Yeah. So go to the other side a bit. Oh, of course. I knew that was going to happen eventually. Now the lake, or the pond, I should say, we walked up to. I don't know if I'll show it on the way out. I have never really had great success, but I've seen people pull some big bass out of there as well. So, I guess I just saw a guy drop maybe a 3/4 ounce jig in there and pulled out about a 3-pound bass one night. Just him and his wife were with the kids with the baby stroller, and he had a plastic bag, just threw it in there, went about his business. So good on him. It was kind of cool either way. So, oh, see, there we go. We on? Yep, we are on. Oh, I got one chasing. Got 3 of them chasing. They're all trying to go after it. These little boogers are aggressive. I doubt I got that on the camera, but that was kind of awesome. I saw one come after it and then 2 more, and they were just zipping right past, and that was crazy. They probably went over by this log now, but let's see. That was fun. Let's see if they're down here. I'd have to try to skim across these rocks here in a bit and move down a bit. Go. See something pop out of here. Oh! I don't know if that was I thought that was a fish sitting there. Weird. Oh, I got something. There we go. There we go. Did I have to set it that hard? No, but I thought maybe he was just trying to take off with it. Got him good. Well, I definitely like this color. Okay, let's see if I can scale over here real quick without falling in, which would be non-awesome at all. A couple years ago, I'd just bound across here and not even worry about it. Whoa. Oh, there's that big rock where they like to lay. Okay, I'm going to try to stand down here a little bit. Oh, got hit right off the bat. Come on, get it. Definitely like to hide down there. I don't really worry about so much spooking off the fish because this creek is not, highly fished. These guys are just looking for a quick meal all the time. So, okay, let me get you. Let me get you. Let me get you, dude. Another little one. Again, for a creek, not mad. Now, if I pull out a 1-pound fish, right as soon as it hit it. Not gonna be mad at that either. But I'd like to catch something else beside these greenies. Ouch. Even a tiny bluegill. I wonder if there's anything right here. Sometimes you'll have some fish sitting right under you. It may have been already making too much noise, but right back to that rock. Yep, and on again. They're just sitting under there. I could probably just make a video all, 5 minutes of just fishing the same spot and pull one out, or one after the other. Not very exciting. There we go. Let's see if we can go down a little bit further, where the water's moving just a bit more. Oh, there. A guy saw it come up and get it. There we go. Another grain. Barnacles, come on, boy. Where's you at, bluegills? Where are you at? Get my lure back up. It's funny because perch aren't. That's the one fish I haven't caught in this creek, but that's the color I'm using right now. Oh, had it and dropped it. There we go. There we go. Ah, that's a pretty one there. That sun's right at the... Ouch. You stung me, bro. You stung me. Right at that spot where it's above me, catching this water and blinding the crud out of me. Oh man, as soon as it hit the water. And, well, weird. Another green sunfish. That's so crazy. So crazy. Tell your cousin to come out. I'm tired of this. Another bass even, maybe. Let's see, we got something laying back here. I'll let that drop a bit. Oh. Okay. Cast this down. Try not to get in trees. Getting hit. Just getting bit on. Just getting bit on. You pulled it down? Pulled my pants down. You guy, you weirdo. I was at my buddy's grandmother's house a few weeks ago. Now that was fun. We got into a couple crappie, but not enough. But definitely had enough panfish to take home. Bunch of bluegill, a couple little red ears, shell crackers, whatever you want to call them. But I would most definitely rather had a bucket full of crappie for sure. There we go. Are we on, or is he just playing with it? He's just toying with it. Get it. There we go. Finally. Commit it. You know the rules. Don't play with your food. Oh, that's a pretty one. Those orange tails. Tips on the tails and fins. That's a good looking one. Go back, bro. Go back. Overall, the size of these green sunfish for this creek is pretty good. So, not mad at all. Oh, there we go. Almost sure it's another green sunfish, just the way it's fighting. Yep. Well, barnacles. Again, if I had old shoes on, we'd be walking this a bit today, especially down there where it's a couple deep spots. Okay, different species, please. Different species. Oh man, something smoked it. There we go. Oh, poop. Saw that guy came up for it. There's somebody playing with it now too. Shoo. Come on, teeny tiny. Oh, sorry. Did not mean to drop him on the rock. Clunk. Come off this rock. See, there. Right, it's on the fall. Something tried to get it. There we're on again. There we're on again. Alright. Might have to walk up to the bank. Maybe put a bobber on there, see what we can get. Alright, that would have been pretty good entertainment, watching me stumble around on those rocks. They didn't move down a whole lot, but you get a different perspective from this. Different angle. Okay. Yeah, it's getting tricky to walk down here for sure. My balance is not the same as it used to be. And I know I don't want to put my hand... Ooh, how did I tip up that big rock? But for sure there'd be something by that rock. Maybe not. They're not in the flow that way as much. There, oh, got a hit. Hope my arm wasn't in the way of this camera the whole darn time here. I forget that sometimes because I wear it down on my, closer to my waist than I do up on my chest. One more cast up here and then we're going to climb back up. Oh yeah, that's an easy way up here too now. Thank goodness. I mean, easier than the last one. Alright, yeah. That's fine and all. Okay, let's see if we can walk down here without falling and killing ourselves, or at least, you know, seriously injuring ourselves. Alright, oh, I see a big bluegill down there. Definitely see some bluegill down there. See if we can pitch it out there. There we go. What do we got? Oh, and of course the stupid green sunfish picks it up first. Doggone you, booty. Walked down probably about 100 feet from the last spot we were at. Like I said, I haven't fished any of this in a long time, so it's almost all new to me again. Is that a little bass? Yep. Oh. Okay, homie. Oh my gosh, you got... Oh, are you under that rock for real? Hopefully a water snake don't come up. Oh my gosh. Oh. Good night. There you go. Dirty boy. Oh, I see a couple big bass down there. Not big, but I mean, comparative size of these. Oh, missed it. And going right back over there because they were just schooling there. 3 of them. There we go. What we got? Probably going to be stupid. Kind of a skinnier one there. A lot of these ones were little fatties for sure. Okay, straighten this up. Straighten up. I don't have polarized glasses, but these sunglasses, pretty nice. It's the first pair of prescription sunglasses I've ever owned, and not too bad. Oh my goodness, a big old gar. I don't know if you guys can see that. Now, do I want to catch that? Not really. You might not even worry about something that small. I forgot that I've caught gar in here before. Oh crap, I hit that on the back swing. Yeah. The other little fish don't seem to mind. Oh man. Oh, that's why. I wing knotted it now. Stupid. Okay, pause for a sec. Okay. Got a line straight. Gotta be careful. That was a big old gar too. Man, that thing was probably 2.5, 3 foot long easily. That's a fish. You hook into one pretty good, they give you a heck of a fight. But keep them on your line. Those teeth do one of 2 things. They either snap your line and they break off your hooks. That's the problem with them. They will mangle up your equipment quick. There we go. Oh, well, we were on. Must have just had the tail. Go back over there. Ooh, feels nice and cool down here though, at least. See that fish will come back for it or not. Maybe not. Yeah, those gar. Maybe just cruising there for a bit, so. Yep, I see these fish down here still. I'll just try to drop one down there and see what we can get. Something hit it right off the bat. That big one, ouch. Ow, something is totally biting my leg. Wow, is that an ant? I don't know what it was, but I squashed it. Well, it is almost 10:30. I'm going to get going here. So I got a little appointment at 11. You know, it is, you get an appointment, you get there early, and they're like, oh, we'll be right with you in 30 minutes. But I'd rather be early than to be late. And they're like, sorry, missed your appointment. Come on, one more. One more. That's all we need, just one more. Man. There's just a log bobbing down there as well. Ooh. One more hit, guys. One more. Ooh, that would have sucked. Probably got hung up on there. Let's try into this tree real quick. Oh, and into the tree. Oh, and into my arm almost. Good night. That was almost a poop end of the fishing trip there. Be a little bit more careful. Maybe these fish are full, because I see them swimming down there. They're just not being as hungry. So, oh well. I mean, we caught, I'm going to just guess, at least 20 fish. It'd be crazy if that gar came back and snatched up on this thing real quick. Look out, dragonfly. Something will snatch you up if you land on that water. You don't even have to land on it, just be buzzing around it. Oh, got a bump right off the bat. There we go. Okay. This is going to be the last cast. Faux show. Oh, it's not where I want it, but it's where I went. Ouch. Don't get in that log. I wanted to get close to this rock. There we go. There we go. Get off of there. It's going to probably be another green sunfish. That's why you have last cast till you catch one and then be done. Alright, Bubby. Thanks for playing. See you later. Well, guys, it's pretty fun. About an hour, hour and a half of fishing. Probably just about an hour. 2 parks, same creek, a ton of green sunfish, a couple little bass, 1 bluegill. That's it. So might have to explore that creek a little bit more and see what we can get. But hope you guys are having a good day. Happy Father's Day. Talk to you soon.